If you want to disable wallpaper scroll effect on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then unfortunately the phone does not have a dedicated option which would allow you to just simply disable the scroll effect. And the reason why we have this scroll effect is because the wallpaper that we have set up is actually wider than our display. So in order to solve this issue, you can, for example, go to the Photos app, and of course you want to choose the wallpaper that you have set up. So this works only for wallpapers that you have access to on your phone, that you have saved on your phone. So this is the wallpaper that I used. And what I can do now is I can, well, start zooming in, and I can adjust the wallpaper however I want it to look like. So let's say I want to look like this. And you want to make sure that there are no buttons and no options visible. So we can just tap on the photo once in order to make it disappear. And then what you need to do is you want to take a screenshot. So I'm going to use the power button and volume down button at the same time to take the full screenshot. Afterwards, we're going to go back. And of course, we want to set up this screenshot as wallpaper. So here we have the screenshot. I'm going to now tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then I can choose Use As, and then we're going to choose Wallpaper. Then I'm just going to set the wallpaper over here. I'm going to set it for both screens. There we go. And now we do not have the scrolling effect anymore. Leave a like and subscribe.